Congratulations, now you have finally made it. You checked out your email inbox and you found that you have been invited to a face-to-face, in-person interview. Let's see how can you prepare for it. So the next couple of modules, I will show you how to prepare for the interview. The first question most interviewers ask is, tell me more about yourself. I've been asked this question approximately 90% of the time. And it's very important to be well prepared for the question, since it's your first opportunity to actually present yourself. You must be confident and very well prepared. First impressions do last. For this question, you have to be prepared to talk about yourself. Preparation is key. You must demonstrate that you are the best candidate for the job. You need to prepare a perfect answer in advance and then practice it out loud to make sure that you're not stumbling or hesitant. This question is a bit tricky. You need to get prepared to tell a story, and at the same time, you must not show that you have a story prepared beforehand. It's a bit challenging at first, but you'll get a hang of it once you practice it well enough. So to answer this question, you need to know what the hiring manager is looking for, and to start your answer with what he or she wants to hear. Rule number 1 to ensure success in business is to satisfy your customer. Think of this in the same way. To get the job, you need to make your customer happy, aka your hiring manager. And that only happens when you tell him what he wants to hear. The best way to approach this is to start with a short elevator pitch of your professional self, along with the main requirements listed in the job description. Something like, I'm a certified professional engineer with over 5 years of experience in modeling, simulation, and control of powertrain components using MATLAB and Simulink. I have worked for several Fortune 100 companies such as Ford, Samsung, and Chrysler. After the elevator pitch, a great strategy to follow is to talk about your present state, then discuss the past, and then end with what you want to do in the future. For the present, something like, currently I work as a research engineer at XYZ company in Toronto, Canada. I have extensive experience with developing, operating, validating powertrain components and system models, and designing control systems for hybrid vehicles. In addition, I have extensive experience in testing battery cells and developing and troubleshooting battery management system algorithms. Please note that this is the first requirements listed in the job description, and that's what they are really looking for and wanted to hear. And then talk about the past. I graduated with a bachelor's degree in engineering and I was a top of my class. Afterwards, I did my Master's of Applied Science on Engine Modeling, Management, and Controls. I'm a team player with experience in project management supported by advanced certificate from XYZ University. Now it's time to talk about the future. While I enjoy my current position, I'm interested in a new challenge and an opportunity to use my technical skills and experience in a different capacity than I had in the past, and to be an asset to the company I will work for. I would love to switch gears, and that's why I applied for this position. I am sure that I can bring a unique mix of knowledge and expertise to the job. So let's see what you shouldn't say. Don't talk about anything personal matters, like family and kids. You may mention that at some point, but that's not what the hiring manager is looking for. They want to know what value you are going to bring to the table. Don't repeat what's on your resume. By doing so, you're throwing away a great opportunity to highlight your unique skills. The interviewer read your resume already before inviting you to the interview, so you need to highlight what makes you a perfect fit for the job. I hope you guys enjoyed this tip. Let's move on to the next one.